Going to ibisPaint X, I select the icon shown here and I proceed with drawing my mandala. You'll notice that I rotated my screen. That's only because I wanted to allow you to be able to see more of what is going on visually. Now that my mandala has been completed, I move on to Canva and select YouTube Shorts as shown. Then I go ahead and upload my mandala drawing and fit the drawing to the screen. So at this point, I am going ahead and clicking adjust to adjust the color to my desired result. And then afterwards, I just move forward to the next step. Here is where the magic starts. So I'm going to select my image, my desired image, and I expand it to cover over the mandala. Then I go ahead and select remove background, and after I've done that, I will duplicate this image to create 2 layers. So what I do now is move the top layer further away and select the layer below it and restore that image and utilize that section and just shift it over to the top of the mandala layer, as well as make it transparent so that you can see the mandala behind it. Now that top layer image that we had with the background removed, we adjust it accordingly, and then we go ahead and save the image for the final look. And there you have it, the finished look.